another video, and Matthew wants me to say chicka chicka wow wow from now on, so chicka chicka wow wow. So y'all, I haven't been filming for 2 weeks. I took a 2-week break, and now I feel like I'm refreshed and I'm ready to start a new chapter of my YouTube world now. So I hope you guys had a good 4th of July, because I wasn't there to wish y'all it. So yeah, but today we're going to be doing a full face of Revolution London, as you can see. And so basically I'm going to show you everything I got first, and then I'm going to do the makeup. So this is how it came. It had like this rose gold tissue paper, bubble wrap, more bubble wrap. Now, the first thing I see is the Revolution Makeup London Pro Fix Fixing Spray. Oh, and I did get acrylics, and they're cute. Anyways, next I got a baking powder, so yeah, I get to bake today. Next we got an Aqua Seal Liquid Eye Primer. Then we got some brow pomade, a blush, a quad. Oh, it's a highlighter palette. A foundation and concealer. 2 lipsticks, or like liquid lipsticks. A bronzer, and then 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be using that one. So I'm going to put this on the floor since we don't need it. Okay. So now I'm going to get everything lined up so that I can start with the video. I'll be right back. So first I'm going to go in with the Revolution Brow Pomade. The pomade was a little dry, so I didn't really care for that. So now I'm going to get the Revolution Aqua Seal Lid Eye Primer. So it's very runny and like oily. Now I'm going to go in with this palette. And I'm going to go in with Brownies, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Now to finish that eye, I'm going to go in with this fixing spray, and I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to get Infinity. I'm going to get the silver one right there, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Wait, actually, I'm going to get Dreams, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to go in with Cookie Dough, and I'm going to put that in the crease for like a blending color. Now I'm going to do that to the other eye. So that's the eyes, and I'm going to put fake lashes on that at the end. But now I'm going to go in with the Revolution Makeup Revolution London foundation stick in the F7. It's really creamy, I can just tell already. I'm gonna blend this all over my face. After that, I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I'm going to be using the Conceal and Define, and it's full. It says it's full coverage. So that's where I put the concealer. So I'm going to go in with the sponge and then start blending all this out. So after that, I'm going to go in with the powder and I'm going to bake. And I'm using the Luxury Baking Powder. So now I want to wait for this to bake, and yeah, I'll go and do my lips. So I'm going to be using the Revolution in this color. So I'm going to lip line my lips with the Kylie Exposed because I didn't have a lip liner for that. And I'm going to put this on. And the doe foot is really small, so it's hard. So now I'm going to brush off all the powder. So there it is. So now I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm using the Revolution Ultra Bronze. So that's what it looks like. But now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette. You get 4 shades. I'm going to be using this gold one. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution matte blush, and this is in Divine. Okay, so I'll be right back because I'm going to go get my false eyelashes. So I got my lashes on, and here's what they look like, and they're like really long. So I have my favorites, and I have the ones I don't really like. The brow pomade was really dry, so I didn't really like that one. And then, but the eyeshadows were really good. The concealer was okay. The powder, I don't know if it was the powder or the foundation, but my nose is really cakey, if you cannot tell. And the powder is like hard to blend, like you can still see it. And it's supposed to be baking powder. But anyways, my favorites were definitely, I really like the brush and the bronzer and the highlighter. The lipsticks, are okay, like they're really pigmented. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Talk. Bye!